That's a sheer drop off. Yeah. It's a. yeah. That's an overlook. That's an overlook. It is October the 9th. It's 7:15 a.m. We're in Great Smoky Mountain National Park. We are at the Alum Cave trailhead, and we are going to step off for Mount LeConte. 30 minutes in, and we're already shedding gear. It's warming up.
Take my hand and say for sure.
Beautiful morning, man. Look. I feel like yesterday the trees weren't as colorful. I feel like the temperature over the past couple of nights really starting to affect those colors.
But all this time away spent you. 'Cause I can run, but I can't hide the feelings that I know I can't.
It is 8:02. We are hitting switchbacks. Definitely starting to hit some elevated views up here. I have already shed my sweater. Brian's already shed his jacket. And we are climbing.
I can run, but I can't hide the feelings that I know.
The Alum Cave Trail is popular with hikers because it offers scenic views from start to finish. From Arch Rock to Alum Cave, all the way up into the subalpine, the trail delivered views from start to finish.
The feelings that I know. The feelings that I know. The feelings that I know.
And let there be light. Time is now 8:42. We are definitely probably just a smidget past the halfway mark here. And we got that beautiful sunlight coming to warm up. Get that sunlight on my body. Get on my body. Warm me. Just climbing. Look. Oh, yes.
Mount LeConte has 4 peaks over 6,000 feet in elevation. On this hike, we plan to summit 3 of those peaks: High Top, Myrtle Point, and Cliff Top, as well as visiting LeConte Lodge.
Y'all, it is starting to get a little cold. Have a safe travel, sir. Yeah, everybody keeps talking about how cold it is up tops, but you can definitely tell we are in the subalpine now. These trees are very short, a lot of moss on the ground. The underbrush isn't as thick. All right, we are at the intersection for the Rainbow Falls Trail and the Alum Cave Trail. And then we got to go up this way. Let's go. We have found the lodges. I feel like we have basically summited, even though there's a couple other summits along here.
LeConte Lodge was established in 1926. The only way to access it is to hike up one of the 5 trails that lead up the mountain. It's resupplied by a llama pack train that goes up the mountain every few days, rain or shine. The lodge is generally open from March to November, and hikers wishing to stay there should make reservations well in advance.
Oh, nuclear silo. Huh. We got our LeConte backcountry shelter here.
We reached the highest peak of Mount LeConte, High Top, at 6,593 feet above sea level.
This is the alpine views that you strive for up here. Trees are only like 15 feet tall.
Our next stop is Myrtle Point, the easternmost summit of Mount LeConte. The views here do not disappoint.
It is 11:22. We just took a quick break up on Myrtle Point. Had a wrap, turkey wrap with some roast beef, some Cliff Bars, and some water. And now we're gonna trek back down. Only way to go is down.
It's calm now, storms clear their way. Let's leave the prey for a time. It's unfounded, some may say. Smiles find their place.
Our last stop is at the west-facing cliff top, a popular spot to watch the sunset.
You found your place in my mind now. If I stay, if Either way, what's that you say? I already know.
And now we descend down the mountain the same way we came up.
If you stay, if you go, either way we're falling.
My GoPro handle broke for my GoPro Max, so I have to hold it with my hand. But we are almost off this trail. You can hear the creek down there. So our time up here on LeConte is coming to an end. All right, that's it. Mount LeConte via Alum Cave. What do you think?
It was good. Lots of stuff to see on that track.
Lots of stuff to see on that track. So yeah, no, I really enjoyed that. So if you like that, click like, click subscribe, click on some of these videos. Thanks for watching.
Always be